Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will discuss how we can create a new Ethereum wallet from myetherwallet.com, and also I will teach you guys how we can select the gas price and what's the significance of gas price in Ethereum transactions. So let us start the video. First of all, you need to open the website myetherwallet.com and make sure that you open this site and see this My Ether Wallet LLC US stated in front of it, because there are many copy sites of it, so there are many scam sites, so you must avoid the scam sites. So here you can see that there is a tab, new wallet tab, so you can click on that and then you will see this thing. So you have to enter any password for your new wallet. So for example, let me input something. So we click the create new wallet button. Sorry, it's giving me an error that at least 9 characters. So I add 2 more, then we create it, and now it's asking me to save this Keystore file. So this you have to save this Keystore file, JSON file, anywhere safe in your laptop, because it contains the private key of your new Ethereum wallet. So this private key is very important, and this is a cold storage wallet, and you know that it cannot be hacked easily unless someone access your private key. So you click the download Keystore file button and download this and save this on your laptop. So guys, once the JSON file is saved in your laptop, you click I understand and continue. So at very first time it will show you your private key, and you should make sure that you copy and save this private key in any in notepad or any other text file, and also you can print it and save it somewhere. This is very important because this is the private key which will access your wallet. So guys, I have saved this private key in notes, and you should also save it somewhere safe, and also you can print the paper wallet and save it somewhere. um, when you click the print paper wallet button, then it will straight away send command to your printer and you can print it out. So in that way you can save this private key. So this private key is very important, as when you open the websites like Etherdelta, it will ask you for your private key. So let us first see the My Ether wallet. So once it's done, you can click save your address, and now it will ask you, for example, if you want to send Ethereum and tokens, then you can select this, and from here you can select your JSON file, select the file where you have saved, and I have saved on my desktop. The file is open, and now we can enter the password and click unlock. So it will unlock a new Ether wallet. So this will be my Ethereum address, which I will use for this wallet. So you can make as many Ethereum transactions in this wallet as you wish for. And if you have some Ethereum balance in this wallet, for example, here it will show you your current Ethereum balance. So now once the new wallet is created, let me show you how you can use this new wallet on website like Etherdelta. So you open Etherdelta, and from here you can see select account. So click import account, and over here you need to enter your new Ethereum address. So this is your new Ethereum address. Copy it and then paste over here, and then you need to add your private key, which I have saved in notes. This was the private key of the wallet we just created. You copy that private key and enter here, click import. So you can see your wallet is now imported on Etherdelta, and here you can see your current Ethereum balance is 0 Ethereum. And this is a secure wallet. It has a private key. Private key is you have saved your private key on notes, or also you have printed it. And remember, your JSON key also contains the private key. So some websites like IDEX will only ask for your JSON key, so you just import your JSON key on IDEX. Okay, let me show you the example of that. So let us open IDEX. This is another exchange. So guys, once IDEX is open, you can click on unlock wallet, and here you can select your JSON file. Your Keystore file is basically your JSON file. Select wallet, select the file, open it, enter the password, and from there you can access your wallet. So I have shown you two examples how to import your created wallet in Etherdelta and also in IDEX. So guys, let's now discuss the importance of gas price. So in Ethereum, actually, when every time you send Ethereum from one exchange to another exchange, you have to enter some gas price. And for the gas price, you open this website etherscan.io, and from here, first of all, you see the view the transactions which are going on. So these are the recent transaction that people are doing, sending their money from one exchange to another exchange. So you can see this 15 seconds ago, 15 seconds ago, and this is the transaction hash. So you can click any transaction, and you can click and check what GUI that person has sent. For example, he sent 40 GUI. So also you can check multiple transaction and see the gas price people are sending 20 GUI. The more the GUI price will be, the more it will deduct your balance. So make sure you select the optimum gas price when doing when making the Ethereum transactions. So you can check multiple transactions, and you can select whatever the least possible successful GUI price. And you can, for example, this transaction was a success and it was 1 minute ago, so you can see the GUI is slightly less, 12, which is slightly less than 20. So you can select the optimum GUI price. So let me tell you why this is important. I faced an issue myself during a few months ago, I think in December, when the Ethereum blockchain was heavily blocked, and there were many transactions which were pending on the mempool because of one game known as CryptoKitties. So you can see the pending transaction from here. So at that time, the pending transaction amount was very high. Right now, it's only 3,054, and that time it was around 50k, 40k, and your transaction got stuck on the mempool. And because people were sending low gas price, that's why their transaction was stuck on the mempool. At that time, people were sending very high amount of gas price, and they were paying around 20 US dollars to 25 US dollars per transaction, which is a lot, I think. So that's why this is very important to check every time you open etherscan.io and check the pending transaction. If it is under 10k, then it is already very low. So you can select the least amount of gas price, and your transaction will be fine, and they will just be processed quickly. So guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I wanted to make it helpful for you guys, and I think many people, they don't know how to select the gas price. So gas price is very important in Ethereum transactions. So make sure you always follow this method to select the gas price. Thank you so much guys, and if you like this video, then subscribe and click the bell icon and give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys.